Tropical Cyclone Winston is predicted to continue its northeastward trek, and on the projected path it is expected to lie about 540 kilometers east of Kandavu, or about 230 kilometers east-northeast of Oneilau at midday tomorrow. In the next 24 hours, it is expected to lie about 855 kilometers east of Kandavu, or about 620 kilometers east-northeast of Oneilau. In anticipation of its arrival, a storm wind warning has been issued and remains in force for Oneilau and Batoa. A gale warning has been issued or remains in force for the Kambara, Fulanga, Ongea, Namuka, Como, and Mode. A strong wind warning also has been issued for the Kandavu, nearby smaller islands, southern Viti level, the northern Lau, and the Lomai Viti group. For Oneilau and Batoa, destructive storm force winds with average speeds of 100 kilometers per hour and gusts up to 155 kilometers per hour is expected over Oneilau and Batoa from later today. Damaging heavy swells with sea flooding is expected. For the weather in these areas, occasional rain, heavy at times, and squally thunderstorms are expected. For Fulanga, Ongea, Namuka, Kambara, Como, and Mode, damaging gale force winds with average wind speeds of 75 kilometers per hour and gusting up to 100 kilometers per hour are predicted over these areas. For Kandavu and nearby smaller islands, southern Viti level, northern Lau, and Lomai Viti group, moderate to fresh westerly winds, gusty at times, winds increasing to strong with average wind speeds of 45 kilometers per hour and momentary gusts up to 80 kilometers per hour. Also, we expect this to happening from this afternoon.